Namaskar. I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. As India marches forward on the path of progress and development under the Modi government's visionary initiatives, certain radical and anti-national forces are relentlessly working to derail the nation's growth. One such sinister conspiracy was unearthed in September this year when Delhi police arrested 11 individuals linked to an Al Qaeda inspired terror module. Among them was Dr. Ishtiaq, a radiologist from Ranchi, Jharkhand, who led this terror network. Their heinous goal was to turn India into an Islamic state through terror and deceit. Shockingly, the investigation revealed that this terror module planned to exploit the PM Kisan Yojana, an initiative designed to support hardworking farmers by fraudulently collecting funds for jihad. This abhorrent misuse of a scheme meant to uplift the backbone of India is nothing short of treason. Authorities have discovered that individuals filled out the scheme's form on behalf of the accused, and efforts are underway to identify and apprehend these enablers. The probe, based on intelligence inputs from central agencies, exposed the group's deep rooted plans for a terrorist attack. Initial raids on August 22nd led to the arrest of 6 individuals undergoing weapons training in Rajasthan. Further interrogation revealed that the accused, all from villages in Ranchi, had ties to Abdul Rahman Kadki, an extremist incarcerated in Jamshedpur's central jail. Visits to Kadki by 2 accused posing as relatives unveiled the module's connection to an even larger network of terror. Dr. Ishtiaq played a pivotal role in establishing a web of terror training camps across states like Jharkhand, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh. In remote locations such as the Nakata forest, recruits were indoctrinated, trained in handling sophisticated weapons, and prepared for suicide bombings. This network's ultimate aim was to create chaos, destabilize India, and establish an Islamic state. The chilling discovery that Dr. Ishtiaq was building a suicide squad further underscores the peril posed by these elements. The gravity of this case deepened with the raids by the Jharkhand ATS and Delhi Police's Special Cell, which unearthed a stock of lethal weapons, including AK-47 rifles and hand grenades. Investigators also exposed links between this module and a massive land scam in Jharkhand, with strong suspicions that proceeds from the scam were funneled into terror operations. The Enforcement Directorate is now investigating individuals such as Bablu Khan, a relative of Dr. Ishtiaq and a key player in this scam, for their role in funding these extremist activities. This case is a grim reminder of the lengths to which anti-national forces will go to destabilize India. It also highlights the alarming nexus between organized crime and terrorism. As the investigation unfolds, the nation must stay vigilant. While India's progress is unstoppable, the fight against such treacherous elements demands unity, resilience, and an unwavering commitment to justice. Let this serve as a call to protect the integrity of our great nation and thwart the designs of those who seek to harm it. Jai Hind.